Hello, my crafty friends. Welcome to Hither and Yon Studio. And if you've been here before, welcome back. And thanks for coming back. DJ here in the studio today with a little bit of a different video. It's 2026, guys. Happy New Year. Hey, if you're new here, I'm DJ and I do paper crafting and junk journaling. And usually my videos are kind of top-down videos of me junk journaling and paper crafting. So if that's your thing, then you might want to stick around or go check out my catalog of tutorials. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for being here. It's 2026 and all of the potential of a new year is upon us. How wonderful, how exciting. This video today is to inform you and to thank you. And so I have some reflecting that I've done for 2025. And one of the first things I want to say is thank you. Thank you so much. I am so grateful for this community. I am so grateful for this channel. I am so grateful for all your comments and your emails and your connection to me, being here, subscribing, watching the videos. I love you guys. Being on the lives, chit-chatting with me. It's so much fun. 2025 has been a great year. I am so grateful. I am blessed. And yeah, so it's been a great year. It's been a great 2 years. The growth on the channel has just skyrocketed, in my humble opinion. I'm not a million subscribers, but that's fine because it's already chaotic. So it went really fast, and I did some reflecting back on 2025, and with all the gratitude, there was still a lot that went on. Some of the stuff you guys saw, some you didn't see. It was behind the scenes. God took some people away. God moved some stuff around, shuffled some things, and made room for the new. So that's where we're heading in 2026, but as that shakeup was going on, as there was like a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes, and you know that the year started with like this crazy sickness that I couldn't get rid of. So hopefully we won't have any more of that. But I wanted to talk to you today about my reflections of 2025 and what to expect in 2026. So hopefully it won't be a super long video. I have some notes here, so if I look down, that's just me making sure that I'm getting everything in the video. So I hope you don't mind. And yeah, so let's talk about 2025. Growth went through the roof. And with that, all the chaos and what I felt was like me constantly trying to keep up. It was constantly go, go, go. New ideas, trying to come up with new ideas, trying to be creative. And honestly, a lot went right, but a lot went wrong. So from my perspective, anyway, the quality of the content kind of started to go downhill. It wasn't bad. It was passable at times. But there were times I wasn't prepared. I didn't plan. The measurements were wrong. I don't know. Unfinished projects. I have a lot of unfinished projects. Like I'd start them on camera and then I didn't get them done. And it was because I was rushing and I was always trying to kind of keep up with the YouTube algorithm and social and do all the things. And I think it just kind of all, at the end, it kind of got to me. When I had some time to settle down at the end of the year and take a breath, I felt like I needed to make some changes. And so that's what this is going to be about. But don't worry, it's nothing detrimental. The channel's going to be here. The videos are going to be here. The freebies are going to be here. We're just going to shuffle some things around a little bit so I can show up better for you guys and better for me, because I'm the ultimate critic. I'm a go, 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 do type person. And sometimes I'm moving so fast that it's not for my own good. So my words this year are slow down and creative healing. And when I started this channel, way back when I started it, the whole purpose of it was to heal myself and show off my love of junk journaling and paper crafting and just crafting in general, and to share what I was learning along the way and kind of document my journey for my own personal use. But as it got busier, I kind of lost a lot of that. I lost my own creativity. I stopped this year making as many journals and creative projects as I wanted to. For me personally, I was doing a lot of stuff on camera, but I kind of felt like I was just always chasing the next video. And I don't want to do that this year. I don't think it works for me. I don't think it works for you. So here's what here's some of the changes that I think will serve us better in 2026. Okay, first and foremost, and the biggest one, there's two big ones, and then just some minor stuff. So the big one is the monthly kits. Don't worry, we're going to have free kits. They just won't be monthly. So what was happening throughout the year of 2025 was I was noticing that I was getting a lot of comments that got repetitive, and they kind of sounded like, oh, I'm falling behind, I'm trying to catch up, or I didn't even get mine started yet, my printer broke, I didn't even print mine yet, oh, I didn't even fussy cut yet, oh, this came up, and it always, the message I was getting was that people felt rushed. They felt like it was a competition to complete by the end of the month, or they just didn't want to do it, or they were too back to back, and it was just too rushed. It wasn't thoughtful. It wasn't healing through art. It wasn't, at least what I was hearing was it was just kind of rushed. So what we're going to do this year is we're going to have quarterly kits. So once a quarter, I will introduce a new free kit. It'll still be free. This year, they're going to be full-size kits, so not the minis. We are going to build out a full-size journal, and you'll have all the freebies to do that. And we will create them through the craft alongs over a 3-month period. And to me, that feels better. That feels more doable. It feels, I don't know, it just feels like it has more flow. It's quieter. It's that slow down that I'm trying to get to. This helps me. I'm hoping it'll help some of you, but please let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on anything that I'm saying here. I love to hear from you. I love your comments and emails and all of that. So please always stay in touch with me and never think, oh, I don't want to comment, I don't want to make her busy or things. Please, I love to see your comments. Your comments really make my day. They, sometimes your comments and your emails are the thing that kind of get me out of a slump or bring back my creativity. So, yeah, let me know what you think. But they're going to be quarterly. The first one is coming out today. The video will be released a little later today. So it'll be the first one of the year. I'm super excited. So just keep an eye on the channel for that. And if you haven't already, guys, give this video a thumbs up. It really does help the channel. So yeah, enough on that. The first kit will be coming out. We'll do it over the next 3 months so that people don't feel like they have to be rushed. They don't have to do it all this month. They don't have to do it all next month. They can do a little here, there. Not everybody has hours to spend in the craft room, and I get it. So I just want to slow it down and bring it to a pace that I feel like we can just kind of flow. We can just be creative. Okay, so that's the first thing that's changing. The second thing that's changing, the big change, is the YouTube memberships. Okay, so I was pressured all throughout 2025 for these memberships, and I thought they would be a great thing. Now I have my coffee shop with a membership over there, or you can just buy me a coffee, and it's not buy me a coffee, it's KO-FI, so it's Ko-fi, coffee, however you pronounce it. That's going to all stay the same over there, though there may be some changes of moving stuff into other areas. Don't worry, I'm not trying to be flaky, guys. I'm just trying to work with this. I'm learning as I go, and I'm just trying to make things work for everybody. It did get confusing. We had the coffee memberships, we had the YouTube memberships. And then at the end of the year, I got a very upsetting email from somebody who said that they got an email from YouTube saying that their membership was canceled with a link, and I knew it was phishing, and that really scared me because I know that a big chunk of my audience is, boomers and over 65 or even over 55, and not always so tech savvy, and even the younger people that are on my channel are not as tech savvy. So I was really afraid that was going to cause a problem, and it seemed like other creators were also having the same issue, and I was really worried about that. On top of it, there was a lot of content to put out to kind of keep up with the membership. Now, I love spending time with you guys, and the Friday lives are not going anywhere. But the Wednesday member lives and the after parties are going to go away. It's just another thing that I need to do to slow down. So I hope you can understand, and I appreciate all the support you gave me over the couple of months that I did have it up and running, you know, for the $5 a month. But it just, again, it was just more chasing. I always felt like, you know, I was having to come up with something to do, and it wasn't always thought out, and it was kind of rushed, and I don't want to have that anymore. So, we're going to eliminate the membership, but the coffee shop is going to stay the same. So the 3 tiers of membership are going to remain through 2026, and there will be Happy Mail for the enthusiast tier, and then free digital every month for all of the membership tiers. And then I'm always going to do freebies over there, guys. I kind of mirror my shop, just because a lot of people find coffee more convenient for them to purchase from. So if they don't want to come to my shop and they're over there, they can purchase over there. And the Etsy shop is going to stay open for now. We'll see Etsy if they behave in 2026. We'll see what happens there. But anyway, the memberships were getting confusing. I was afraid that people were being put at risk because it's such a popular thing on YouTube. And since a lot of creators use it, it was a big scam. Now, not that there aren't any other scams out there on the internet, but I wanted to pull away from something that I knew could potentially be an issue. So we're not going to do the memberships anymore. They're going to cut off as of the first of the year. And like I said, I appreciate all the support you gave me, but we're going to stick to a Friday live for now. So really, that's all that's changing. And hopefully what's changing on, you know, the flip side of that is me being able to get back to doing more thoughtful journals, more tutorials that are more thought out, that have more context and measurements and printables that you can take with you and things like that, so that it's more of a creative process and less of a rushed process where everybody felt like they had to scramble or, you know, get their desk cleared off or whatever the case may be. And plus, I want to get back to creating journals. I want to create for the sheer joy of creating. And I felt like every minute of every day was kind of going into these rushed projects. So I think by moving the monthly freebies to quarterly, and then by eliminating the memberships and those lives, it will help me free up. Now, will there be other ways to connect with me live in the future? Yes, I hope so, and I'm working on that, but we'll see how that goes. For now, we're just going to keep the Friday live. It's Friday at noon Eastern every Friday, unless I'm sick or busy or something came up, but then I try to just reschedule it. So those are going to stay the same, and we'll connect on there, and hopefully they can just, you know, we can be... you know, I can be on them longer, and I can, you know, just spend more time with you and do projects that I think are more thoughtful. Yeah, so the Facebook group is not changing. That's still alive and well. Hither and Yon CreateSpace.com, where you can share all your makes, communicate with other crafters over there. I know Facebook's a really busy area, so we'll see how that continues to go. It is up to almost 3,000 members now, so I do invite you to jump in there if you don't know about it, and those details are always linked below. There's the coffee shop, there's the video tutorials, there's the kits, the freebies, all of that is staying the same. Friday freebies will be still going out every Friday. So yay, you get to get all those. And yeah, I'm going to continue the journey, but I am going to slow down. And I want this channel to be a place where we can kind of spend some time, get away from the chaos. I don't want it to bring more chaos, is my point, I guess. So I hope you do understand that. Sorry for the heat kicking on. It's one of the other things I can't, you know, I can't control. The audio issues I'm hoping to figure out this year. I'm working on it. I'm working on doing my lives and my videos another way, so we'll get there. For now, we're gonna have to put up with the heat. I work in my basement, and that's just the way it is. And hopefully you guys can bear with it. I try not to make it, you know, so you can't hear me at all. But yeah, It is what it is. So 2026, we're going back to basics. We're slowing it down. We're bringing healing and creativity back to the space. I want to continue to build community. So please subscribe or consider subscribing if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so that when you gotta hit the bell and then you gotta move it up to all so that you know every time I release a video. Otherwise, YouTube, picks and chooses. I also put a lot of content over on my posts tab on YouTube. So, you see like videos and live, and then there's posts. And so in that post, I give you updates, and if I have a freebie or when I release a new video, I try to put it up there. And then if you go over to the website, I have my Friday freebies. There's some junk journal planning sheets over there, lots of stuff. And then I send you email updates, and you get the kits and all of that. So look for the kit for January. I'm super excited for this one. It's a full-size kit, guys, and we're gonna make that journal over the next 3 months. Of course, you can do yours in a week if you want, but I just want to take the pressure off, give everybody time to catch up and kind of participate and join in the fun and share together, so that I don't want everybody feeling like they're always playing catch up. I hope that works for you. Again, please let me know your thoughts down in the comments, but for me, I need to slow down this year and integrate what I have and not chase the algorithm. I don't want to do that. YouTube's very fickle. Social in general is very fickle. I want to bring you content that I'm proud of. I want to bring you content that makes sense and get back to like the big book of junk journaling ideas. I want to get back to page spread ideas. I want to do ephemera makes together. So lots of fun stuff coming to the channel. Hang in there with me. Have a lovely Happy New Year. I hope you guys are enjoying the first day of the year wherever you are. Maybe you're into the next day of the year by the time you see this or whatever. I wish you joy, prosperity, love, luck, everything for 2026. And thank you again for being here and supporting me and just being my happy place. Thank you guys so much. I will see you all in the next video, I hope. Have a great rest of your day or night.